Just think, in Georgia it was 70 degrees a couple days ago. 75 or 6. Now we've got snow. What perfect time for beef jerky. Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video we're going to be making some Cajun jerky. It's going to be a small batch. All we've got here is just a pound of meat. We have got some coarse sea salt, 1 teaspoon of coarse sea salt. Let's put a teaspoon of, calls for Tabasco. We're going to use some Texas Pete. I believe that's what I've got here. Yeah, Texas Pete. We're going to use that instead of Tabasco sauce. Just 1 teaspoon. Mound it over. Now what we've got here, we've got some local honey, and we've got a cup of buttermilk. And since honey is so hard to get off the spoon, we're going to do it in the buttermilk like this, and then we're going to add it to the meat strips. This is a 2-part Cajun beef jerky. Alright. We've got this jerky going to be sitting in there for 25 minutes, running around in that old good buttermilk marinade. Alright, well that's doing this thing back there in the vacuum marinade tumbler. We're going to turn this eye on, get it a little hot. Alright, it's starting to get hot. We're going to add the cornmeal. What we're going to do, we're going to blacken the cornmeal and the paprika. So this is 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. This is a tablespoon of paprika. Wow, that smells good right there. Now you want to mix this around to where it looks like it's burnt or half burnt, not all the way. Alright, she's heating up pretty good now. Wow, this is smelling really good. It smells like cornbread cooking here. Wow, it smells really, really good. Alright, that's good right there. Now, the thing's still going to be hot. We need to add a tablespoon of butter. Stir it up in there real good. And mix that up really well. Ah, now it smells like popcorn. What my good friend Joseph Russell would say. Oh yeah. How you doing, Joseph? Let's turn this off. Alright, let's get this thing right here mixed up. And now we're going to add a half a teaspoon of regular sugar. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of coarse salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. This is actually granulated garlic that I'm using. It's not garlic powder. We're going to use 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to mix this up real good. And once we get this mixed up, we want to let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes to let everything marry together. Marry together. And during that 15 to 30 minutes, we're going to let the meat strips, they're done back here behind me right now, we're going to put them in a colander and let them drain. Ta-da! Oh yeah. Yep. Look at that. Okay. We'll let that drain. We're going to let this other stuff sit here for 15 to 30 minutes to cool down and marry. They're going to get cooled down and they're going to get married. We're going to go wash some dishes while all this is taking place. Alrighty then. Now we're going to take another bowl. We're going to pour these strips over into it. Stir this up one last time. Pour it in here on top of it. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. We're gonna get out the brand new Presto dehydrator. Start right here in the middle. We're gonna layer it around here. Yeah. Layer it in. This smells absolutely amazing. Absolutely. Alright, now let's see here. Let's go ahead and stop this thing. This came off in 4 hours. This is 4.5 hours. So 30 more minutes right here. There's a couple pieces that's not done yet. I'm not going to fool with it. Just going to stop it. It's late. It's 11:30 at night. I'm fixing to go to bed. So these are ready. I'm going to put these in here. And then tomorrow we're going to do a taste test. A test of a taste. Test of a taste. Alright, it's time for the taste. We've got Gene here today. He's going to try out this Cajun battered beef jerky. Here you go, Gino.
Dun, dun. Countdown. That's tender.
Tender. You really got to chew this to get the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Because Lisa tried it and she didn't get it. But if you chew it, then you'll finally get a little bit of heat later on from the cayenne in it.
Yeah, right in the back. It's not bad though. It's just for that one person that don't want something that's real spicy. This will sneak up on them, but it'll be good for them.
It is tender, isn't it?
That is very tender.
You know why?
Mm-mm.
It's the vacuum marinator.
Oh. Oh yeah, I feel
Pulls
it.
that meat apart. You taste the buttermilk in it?
Yeah, but I also I can taste the cayenne now because it's back here and it's got tingling in my ear, but it ain't burning. It's good. Yeah, it's something when the one person don't think of fried jerky. That right there is good, or battered. That's good.
It's got roasted cornmeal with paprika in it. And let's see, Tabasco sauce, coarse salt, cayenne powder.
Now what grade meat do you use?
This is a high round.
It's good, because it's not tough.
Yeah, I get it from Sam's. It's the cheapest place around you can get it. And they trim it out for you.
Oh wow.
So all I have to do is bring it home and cut it up.
That makes it easier.
So what do you think, man, on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give it a 7. Out of the 3. That's the way I'm grading this.
Okay, 7. Alright.
It's a 7.
Alright. Hey y'all.
That's good.
Tell Gene thanks in the comment section for coming by and trying out the jerky. If y'all have ever had this before, leave it in the comment section down below. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back.